Hello everyone, my name is Victor Bokoko. I'm batch 12, group 6. I'm here to present the ideology of MMM, how MMM works, the rules of MMM, benefits of MMM. Are you tired of being a slave of a boss? Are you working tirelessly to make money and all you get at the end of the day is a peanut? Are you finding it difficult to sustain on your little income? MMM is the right solution to your problem. What is MMM? MMM is an acronym that stands for Macro Modern Movements, MMM Ideology. MMM Global is a self-managed community by participants and each other in providing each other financial help on the principle of gratitudeness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM Global Community started in 2011 as a new project of Sergio Mavodi in Eastern Europe to create a new and fair financial order as a World Mutual Aid Fund community. Primarily to help people become financially independent. MMM is a community where financial aid and donations exchange and be carried out. It is a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer donation direct to the account of the participants. MMM is not a bank, business, company, or an investment. It has no central accounts. How MMM works. MMM is a social network that connects people who want to donate money with one who want to get money. In MMM, participants provide help with spare money when they are able to do so and get help when they need it. Providing help. Providing help means willingness to provide financial assistance. This can be achieved by clicking the providing help icon like the picture above in your personal office, which is known as PO, to offer to provide help, and your account will be credited with Marvel. Follow the instruction and input the amount of help you are capable of providing. Note: you are to use your spare money. After you might completed this whole process, you will see a small green box at the bottom right of your PO, which is your personal office. Show the details of your offer. You will see something that look like the box below is being displayed below. You are to wait patiently to be matched with another participant. When you are finally matched, you will see a box appearing on your personal office, which is known as PO, under your providing help icon, showing all the informations of the participants you will pay the money to. The box also carry the duration which you are to complete the whole process. After payment, go back to your personal office, which is your PO, and upload your payment details for it to be confirmed by the participants that received the money. After this, you will wait for 30 days for your Marvel to grow to 30% of the amount you provided as help. Note: you may use You may choose to collect your money after 14 days. But if it is your first donation, you have to wait for the 30 days to complete. Otherwise, you will lose your registration bonus. Get help, which simply means GH. Get help simply means asking for financial help or donations, and you can only ask for help if you might have provided help before. To achieve this, click on Get Help icon above on your personal office, which is your PO, and input the amount you want to get as help. Note, you cannot collect more than what you have in your available for withdrawal icon on your personal office, which is your PO, but you can collect below what you have there. Rules of MMM. In MMM, for participation, you must register online on our website www.nigeria-mmm.net to become a participant. For participation, the sum must be from $10 to $10,000 and a multiple of $10. Participants are allowed to have only one account. Multiple account is not allowed, and you must be responsible for your own account. Participants must be trustworthy, honest, and fair to all. Any participant that fails to send or transfer money within the allotted after 3 times of attempt to write your letter of happiness, and your letter cannot still capture the necessary things you are expected to include in your letter, your account will be blocked. All participants should follow and obey the MMM ideology, which is helping each other. Benefits of MMM. The benefits in MMM includes 30% increase of your donation, 30% growth per month for your donation, provide help, which is equals donation plus 30% of your donation at the end of 30 days a month. Registration bonus. After being registered, your first donation attracts a registration bonus. The amount you will receive as a registration bonus is determined by the amount of money you donated. You will receive $20 if your donation is from $50 to $499. $50 if your donation is from $500 to $202,999. $100 if your donation is more than $3,000. Manager/guardians bonus. To become a guardian or manager in MMM, you must have completed and passed the 10 days online school before you can earn manager's bonus. This includes 10% from your first level participant donation, 5% from your second level participant donations, 3% from your third level participant donations, 1% from your fourth level participant donations, 0.5% from your fifth level participant donations, 0.3% from your sixth level participant donations, 0.1% from your seventh level participant donation, 0.05% from your 8th level participant donations, 0.03% from your 9th level participant donations, 0.01% from your 10th level to infinity participant donations. 5% bonus for video in a letter of happiness. After you might have received your help, if you make a video of your successful GH, which is Get Help, and you uploaded the video alongside with your letter of happiness, you will receive 5% of the total amount you receive as help. Many thanks to Sergio Mavoli, the leader and the founder of MMM Social Financial Community, for this great initiative to deliver us from this unfair world of financial system. What are you still waiting for? Join the force of this community, and together we can change the world. Thank you.